I'll come back hoisting the tricolor, or I'll be back wrapped in the tricolor. But for sure, I'll be back. Those were the words of Captain Vikram Batra, who lost his life in the Kargil War. We all pay a heartiest tribute to the great martyr. He was later honored with Paramveer Chakra, also called as the Shesha of Kargil, and we'll be having a short story about him as a motivation for us to work with dedication, work with commitment, and to have a continuous path for our development and enrichment. Captain Batra was born in Himachal Pradesh in Palampur. His parents initially had his whole education there. He was good at most of the sports, a national level player for table tennis, was a green belt for karate, and also a member of NCC. He later joined medical graduation course in Chandigarh. However, during that time, he was part of the army wing of NCC and got a chance to represent during the Republic Day parade. When he was there for the Republic Day parade, he decided that he would be the part of Indian Army. He started his preparation for CDS examination and finally joined the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. And this was the time that he dedicated himself to the cause of nation. Before that, he got an opportunity from the Merchant Navy wing of Hong Kong, but he straightforwardly rejected it, saying it's not money that matters, it's all about growing, it's all about the glory. So he wanted to bring in something extraordinary to grow and to flourish, and that was his sole objective. It was not for himself, but it was for the country, to do something great, something extraordinary. When he was asked, he said, the honor of the country, the safety of the country, and the welfare of the country is my primary duty. Next comes my fellow beings, honoring them, giving them the proper comfort is my next duty. And at last comes myself when I talk about my ease or my comfort. And with this dedication, this motivation, he went on with the Kargil War on the 80-degree steep slopes where even food and water was available in scarcity. He was leading his team, he was a hero for his team, and today we all pay our tributes to him. His life, his story would always be a motivation for us to help us work forward, to bring in higher commitment from us, to help us bring in more dedication in our studies, and bring in something great not only for us, our families, but also for this nation. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.